Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Chris Holt, and today I'm coming back with you guys with another video. Sorry I've been off for a little while. I was spending the holiday with my families and getting some work done. But today I've got a really cool modification for you guys. We are going to be working on some side skirts for the Camaro right here. So these right here are some Extreme online store side skirts for the Camaro. Now I haven't seen them install any installation videos or anything like that. Haven't seen them on YouTube or anything like that. They seem like a pretty new product, so I'm super excited to get these on my car. Now it didn't come with any installation instructions. I'm thinking it should be pretty straightforward, but I'm here to show you guys how to do it and how they will look on my car. Alright, so before you guys get started, here's my car. It's a 2010 Chevy Camaro V6. If you haven't seen it in the past or you're new to the channel, please make sure to stick around, watch more of my older videos that I have on this car and all my other projects that I got going. Let me know in the comments if you want to see any other modifications to the car. Here coming soon, I kind of want to do a walk around of my car and show you guys exactly what I have fully done to my car. But this is my car right now, and so if you want to see more videos, definitely hit that subscribe button. We've got a lot more coming for it, and yeah, we're just getting started. A lot of big mods that I bought for myself for Christmas presents for myself, these being one of them. And considering a lot of the work that I'm going to be doing is not in this garage, it's going to be in my garage at school, which is a lot smaller. I do not necessarily have the room in my car to fit everything that I need, including my box right there. So first things first, guys, get the side skirts, or the bottom part of where the factory side skirts are, nice and cleaned up. Get them as clean as you can, because the cleaner they are, it'll be easier. It will just install easier and look a lot better when it's done. So if y'all haven't seen these side skirts yet, these are what they look like. They're from Extreme Online Store, and they look really cool. And so basically the reason that I wanted these over replacement side skirts is that this way the installation will be much easier and it will make my car look lower. I was thinking about either ZL1 style side skirts, like getting actual ones off of the ZL1, as I have an NPP exhaust on the back and a front lip. I think it would look good, and these also do have an option to come in carbon fiber. But since my front lip is this plastic that this is, I decided to save a little bit of money and do it here. Now, like I said, didn't come with any installation instructions, but it does seem like it'll be pretty straightforward. They do supply you with some tools or some nuts and bolts right there, all screws, and they have these holes right there, which I'm sure that is what is gonna what we are going to use to just drill into my factory side skirts. Now the thing that I do like about this, as you can tell, it will all the drilling will be done on the bottom, and so hopefully it doesn't damage the side skirt if I don't like the look. But I have a feeling that I will like it. Let me know what you guys think, how you think it'll turn out in the comments down below. Like I said, I haven't seen many of these anywhere, so I'm super excited with my fingers crossed to see how it'll turn out on my car. So first thing that you're going to want to do is make sure to jack up your car. So I fully jacked it up. The jack I can pull out. I've got jack stands underneath. Sorry about the lighting, it's pretty bad. Let's see if we can get our flashlight here. So got the jack stand right there and right there for this side. And so as you can see, there is some space in between, so I can go ahead and pull our jack out, lower it down, and pull it out. That way we have access to the whole side skirt right here. And so we're gonna go ahead and work on getting these. Let's see which one. It's this one right here. Yeah, this one is gonna go on there. And so I'm gonna try and label it out and show you guys as much as I can of the process. I would recommend 2 people to get in and do it. So I'm going to use all of the supplied hardware, which I believe I showed in the last clip, but I think I left out the 3M tape. Yes, right here. So it did actually come with, let's see, it did actually come up with some cleaner right here and some actual 3M tape. Not any, you know, off-brand 3M China, but actually the good 3M stuff. And then right here, the supplied hardware that are gonna go in our little bolt holes that we have running all along the side skirt right here. So we'll line it up and then get it on. Actually, I said earlier this was the side. That is the passenger side. This one right here is the driver's side. So that's the one that we're gonna start on, and I'll update you and show you guys along the way. So I went ahead and laid the side skirt out like this, and then took some of the 3M tape right there and laid it down on there. Let's see if we can, and tried to get it as close to that